Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Just getting over COVID, so I'm a little bit, still kind of got some congestion and stuff going on here, but anyway, I felt good enough to film, so I've been filming today, and I did happen to just get a small Temu bag, so I figured I'd film it. I don't think there's very many things in here. I think this is a smaller purchase for me. But anyway, figured since I'm filming, I'll go ahead and show it. So I'm just going to open it up and start going. Anyway, see what we had in here. I can't even remember everything in here. So anyway, let's get going. Okay, friends. Thanks for being here. I appreciate your support. I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, comment, do those things to support my channel if you wish, and I do appreciate that. So anyway, the first thing I'm pulling out here looks like it's going to be a dress, and yes, it's pink. I've been wearing a lot of darker colors for the fall, but you know I'm a pink girl at heart, and so I love this color. Look at that. It's really pretty. This is just a pink dress right here. I don't know. You know what? I'm thinking about this, thinking that I've bought this before and didn't like it and to send it back. It's very short, so I don't know. We'll see. I really like the color and the fabric, so it's more for spring, but spring is just right around the corner, especially here in Arizona. I mean, we're going to have another month or two that'll be a little bit chilly, but we don't get too much cold. So the next thing I'm pulling out here is a pair of shoes. These are, they don't really seem, they're kind of a suede, and I was curious about them. I thought they were kind of cute, but they look like they might be kind of cheap, but it's just like a white, kind of a white suede baby Mary Janes. I got a couple of other pair of Mary Janes from Temu, and I really liked them, so I thought I would try these. I think these are only like $6 something. I don't know. They were really inexpensive, so it's just a cute little shoe. I wear dresses a lot, so if I want to wear flats, it's kind of a fun shoe to wear with some of my dresses. So anyway, there's that. See what else we have. Another clothing item. This is something I own several of, but I love them. So I don't have this color, but this is, ooh, it feels different. This feels like a knit. It doesn't feel the same. What? Totally doesn't feel the same as my others. My other ones were silky material. This is just a knit, but it's okay. I just wanted to lounge around the house. I really like these dresses. It's kind of funny that this, I don't know, I didn't check, but yeah, this is just a knit one. So anyway, we'll see if I like it. So that's the next item. I thought I got more stuff than I did. I don't know why I was just so curious about these. These are like a couple bucks, and I got these little hearts, these pink hearts, and they are, oh, I thought the twine was going to come on them. So they come painted pink, and then they have a little piece of twine, so you can string a twine through it. Let me open it. I thought they'd be fun for Valentine's Day. You could put them on, they showed them on a ring together. So it's just a little pink heart, but you could write things on them and attach them to a little Valentine's gift or whatever. So I was curious, so I tried it for, okay, so it is a long string. So I don't know if you just string them, or you can string them and make a cute, like a banner thing out of them, or you can just do individual ones. So anyway, there's that. Saw it. You like it, go pick it up. I shared with you what I had. A pair of pink nails. And then I was not liking any black earrings I have. In fact, I don't have any on today. I got some, these are really cute, some black bow earrings. I like those. And then these are just some more chunkier drop earrings. And I thought I would try them out. Sometimes Temu, you're hit or miss, because sometimes their stuff is really good, and then other times they break really easy. So I am going to try this earring. Okay, so there's that. Kind of like the look of it. Matches what I have on today. Okay, so there's the earrings. They're kind of cute. They're really lightweight, so I like them. So these two earrings is that I do really like those. Okay, so the last thing I have in here is a little bag. It says meds. I got this for my meds. I usually do my meds like weeks, you know, put them in little pouches for weeks. So I like to carry my meds around in here, and then I put them in their containers. So anyway, so I will use this for my meds. So it's kind of cute, right? So anyway, so that's the last thing. Just a small little haul from Temu. I haven't done a lot of Temu lately, but they still have great prices, and I've always been happy with their shoes. Funny thing is my foot's getting smaller. I don't know why, but so pretty much most of the shoes in my closet, which I have a lot, are like too big on me. So I have to start rebuying shoes. Plus, I think Temu shoes might run a little bit big. So I'm sizing down now in my shoes. So I'm going to have to kind of build up another shoe collection. So I do have had good luck with Temu shoes. I'm one to like to wear a variety of different shoes. So anyway, that's fun. So let me know what you think. Do you have any of these items, or is there anything you're interested in? Let me know in the comments. I appreciate you being here with me today. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.